You can hear it.
Yeah. This is the closest I've ever been to one.
What is it? You can hear that thing.
Yeah.
At first I thought that was thunder, but then it was like, no, that's not going away. That's just roaring.
Hey guys!
To the south of us.
Yeah. I can see the wind of it, guys.
Yep.
My hands are like numb. There goes the power.
Yeah, you can see it clear behind you.
I don't think it's passed yet. Hailed.
Yeah, it's off both sides. Hey.
I wonder if Lynch is okay.
Man, whoa, it's got it here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. I only have AT&T.
Truck flipped over.
Yeah,
Once in a while.
Man, it's got it here.
Down over here.
Oh wow.
Right down over there.
Oh, goodness.
School's probably gone.
Justin and Danielle.
Oh,
where
live
was
right
that
on the other
sign?
side of this.
Yeah.
In an apartment complex.
Whoa, Dad, look in front of you.
Man, they've got people that are trying to get out of vehicles and stuff.
Well,
The poor people.
Oh man, that's bad.
Sign fell.
I wonder if the Lynches are okay. Gone.
Oh my goodness, it is.
Yes, we're breathing the gas stations.
Oh, it's completely gone. That is completely gone.
Oh, wow.
It's gone.
A school bus. There's probably
Yeah,
people in there.
Oh man.
I smell natural gas.
Yeah. Look at the window.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
There's a tractor.
Look at the house. There was a farmhouse there. There was a house there. It's leveled.
Hopefully no one was in it.
There's probably people in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even get there. There's car lines.
Yeah.
There's going to be damage down here.
There's people in there.
Oh man.
Y'all don't have a cell phone.
Yeah, we all have phones. Hey, Dad, I wonder if it hit the Lynches.
I don't know. We never get there.
Record everything. Who do you need to call?
I just want to call Debbie and let them know what's going on.
Hey, pass that up to him. Well, he's
Call
pretty
your
camera
mom.
up there. Oh, come on.
Because I don't know Debbie's number off the top of my head.
What's Mom's number again? Here, it's, right there.
Okay.
Dad, I wonder if that truck oh, it's still there.
Right there, yeah. Gator truck. Hey, Josh. Reply to Matt McMillan on there.
I'm talking to Mom right now.
Oh, okay. Text him, tell him Henryville's gone.
There's not a lot of deaths in this.
Yeah.
There's a lot of
There'd
people
have to be.
who are gone in this.
Yeah, unfortunately. I can't get a hold of her.
I don't know what, I feel like we'll do something. I don't even know what to do.
I wouldn't know where to start looking. You know, all this rubble, who knows who or what.
There are probably people in there. Maybe.
I'd like to
Power
have gone
lines?
up back there where Danielle and Justin are. They probably don't have a place anymore.
Yeah.
They're just right on the other side of this meadow.
I can't get a hold of Mom.
These are all
I think the cell
power
tower's down, Josh.
Well, it's John.
AT&T.
We're not going to get anybody
But-
there. We're on power
Yes.
lines.
Well, at least the power is
Yeah, we're
Full
okay, but
grounded, 'cause we're on fire.
the boys and I and my neighbor are sitting here in downtown, what used to be downtown Henryville.
been flat.
It's gone. I'm looking at the school, and it is rubble. I want to help people, but it's going to have to get stabilized a little bit first. Jonathan, remember those people we went to church with us, the guy that came and put our carpet in the basement?
Mr. Nye.
Yeah, his house is gone. It was level.
Oh, wow. It's hailing.
That's
Floor it.
bad. That's bad.
We definitely don't want to get in the middle of it like these vehicles on the expressway.
Yeah, we got no place to pick up.
Well, try and get back to home.
Well, I'm trying, but if we're going to... Whoa. If we have to, we're going to stop here at the overpass and we'll crawl under it.
Good grief.
Oh, this is bad.
Oh my God. Okay, try and squeeze through that police car. I think go. Shame we're not. Oh, I'm glad we're not in Silverado. We ruin it. Stay with you. Keep away from the window. Just lean in. Lean into the middle. That's just my phone. Cover your face.
Get another tree somewhere, John.
About what else might be accompanying this hale. Well, so much for putting the Suburban in the...
Yeah, it's totaled.
Clearly.